My first year out of college.
My first year out of college.
My first year after college.
I submitted for a lot of jobs. You're gonna hear back maybe 5% out of that. You just can't fear rejection.
I packed a car, drove cross country. I was homeless, I was jobless, didn't have much of a resume, and it was really tough.
I was hoping that right out of college, I would have also secured something, but that did not turn out to be the case.
I got 14 rejection letters before I got my first job out of college.
I got put on some not so great assignments straight out of school, and what I had to do was continuously ask for more, ask for more, ask for more.
I went up to this person who was a news reporter at the time, and I asked him, what advice would you give me? And he said, you should just forget about it. You should choose a different career.
I would have to look for a job every 3 months or so, and back then that was nerve-wracking.
I ended up getting laid off. I can remember going home and crying to my mother almost every night.
You have to stick it out, you gotta get through the tough stuff, and it's always gonna be worth it.
I started a food blog. It was kind of a motivational thing for me to do because I've always wanted to create content. I think that ultimately helped impress my manager and helped me get the job.
Listen to the criticism, but make sure it doesn't define you.
You keep proving yourself over time, and you'll get to where you want to be.
Getting laid off was actually a blessing in disguise. It forced me to follow my dreams and put me out of my comfort zone and find the job that I was meant to be in.
I never expected to be helping people as much as I do today.
I learned how to bounce back after rejection.
I learned that life wasn't as linear as I thought it would be.
I learned that your degree doesn't mean that's where you're going to end up.
Don't be convinced you have it all figured out.
Don't chase money.
Don't get discouraged. Focus on your passion.
Learn to love traffic. Podcasts are your friend.
Enjoy the ride.